In this video, we'll show you how to fix missing contacts on your iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be really frustrating when your contacts disappear, especially when you need to reach out to someone. Let's get this sorted. First, open the Contacts app and check if the right contact list is selected. Tap List in the top left corner to see the available options. For example, I have all iPhone selected here. Next, try exiting the Contacts app and opening your settings. Tap on your name at the top of the screen, then scroll down and select iCloud. Here, make sure the Contacts option is turned on. This will sync your iCloud contacts with your iPhone in case they were turned off. Now, go back to the Contacts app and your contacts should start appearing. If this doesn't resolve the issue, head back to your settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap Mail, then select Accounts and choose your email account, for example, Gmail. Turn on Contacts to sync your Gmail contacts to your iPhone. Return to the Contacts app and you can choose from the different lists, such as iCloud, Gmail, or All. Your contacts should now be visible.